Hello and welcome to Ecolics. In this small video, we will understand how to write answers in the examination. Now, Indian Economic Service exam is a subjective exam where you have to write on pen and paper. You will be giving 6 papers of 3 hours each. It means it requires you to master writing skills. But before going to the examination hall, suppose you know everything about writing answers, what you have to do in the examination hall is very vital. If you do that, your chances will go up by 40 to 50%. So first thing, what are the important points to keep in mind before going into the examination hall? So because your examination is on 16th of July, it's almost 10 days left. What you can do is the change in the habit. So if you are studying at night, I would highly recommend that you should start changing your schedule from morning to evening, because your examination will be from 9 a.m. Okay, so first thing, very important, reach 15 minutes before. Okay, so 9 a.m. is your paper. Try to sit on the examination hall seat by 8:45. What will happen to that? Because if you sit 15 minutes before the exam, your nerves will calm down. Most of the problem starts with nervousness, because if you are nervous, you're not able to think properly, you're not able to write properly. So what you have to do, reach 15 minutes before and try to take deep breath, long breathing exercise. If you do this, your nerves will be calmed down and you'll be able to focus on the questions when you get. Now what happens, some of the students just go at 9 a.m. They take 10-15 minutes. It means it is a loss of time of the examination. So you'll get proper 180 minutes if you reach 15 minutes before. The second thing, question reading. Okay, it means whenever you'll get a question paper, try to read the question first. Do not jump on initially and write it as quick as possible. Suppose you are allotting 10 minutes for a particular question, then try to spend 30 to 40 seconds in reading the question. If you read the question carefully, you will understand what is the demand of the question. If you are not able to address the demand of the question, UPSC will not entertain your answer. So what you have to do, first read the question carefully. So this is what I'm saying. Understand the demand and write that. Okay, for example, you want to go in some other direction. Suppose you are going to Delhi, but in a hurry, you take the route out towards Jaipur. So it's better to think on a point and try to find the way where you have to move. So understand the demand of the question. Third, read the directive. Directive in the question. Directive in the question means the words like explain, the words like critically analyze, the words like describe, comment, etc. You'll find a lot of words. Suppose, for example, they are asking explain and you are writing the answer as comment. UPSC will not entertain that. You will lose marks. So what you have to understand, if they are writing describe, then you have to describe the event. If they are asking explanation about any scheme, then you have to explain. If they are asking critically analyze, then you have to provide both the opinions with constructive criticism, means criticism with solution. So first is directive in the question is very vital. So try to address that. If you are not addressing it, you will lose marks again. Then the next is time. The value of time is very important in UPSC exam. They give perfect time to write that particular paper. So if you are spending some more time on a particular question to make it perfect by leaving the opportunity cost of writing another answer. So what is the beauty of question come answer booklet that you will get in the UPSC exam? You can directly jump onto the questions that you know. If you're stuck in between, you can leave that question. Later on, you can come back. So do not spend much more time that is not required on a particular question. So try to beautify or modify one particular answer by leaving the another answer totally blank. That will be a foolish step. So always remember that you should divide generally it is easy to write one page in 5 minutes. So you divide that. If it is 100 words, it means one page of UPSC booklet, you should devote 5 minutes. If you're devoting more than that, it means you are losing the opportunity of writing other answers. And at last, what you have to do when you come back to the your hotel room or your home, wherever from the examination hall after 5 p.m, try to do some icing. take a bowl, put some ice cubes and water, and try to dip your hand for 15 minutes. Do not pick up, just try to keep it for 15 minutes. It will relax your hand muscle and it will be beneficial for the next day's exam. I hope you find this video useful. If you still have any query, you can contact me directly on my WhatsApp number. You can write an email as well, and you can download the Ecoholics mobile app, where there's a full academics team there to help you in the chat box. So if you have any query, you can ask there as well. We'll see you in the next video. All the best for the examination. Thank you.